Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the AUXMART Universal Keyless Entry Car Kit, a game changer for your vehicle. This kit comes packed with features designed to enhance your driving experience. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about convenience. With this system installed, you can say goodbye to fumbling with keys. The remote control conversion allows you to lock and unlock your doors with just the press of a button, adding a touch of modernity to any ride. Plus, it's compatible with all models, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. But it's not just about convenience, it's about reliability too. AUXMART doesn't mess around when it comes to quality. The 4-door lock actuators are built to last, with a life test of over 100,000 times. And with fully automatic patch technology and a black fireproof circuit board, you can trust that this system will perform exceptionally well in any conditions. Installation? Piece of cake. Thanks to the 360 degrees rotation connected to the lever, you'll find it easy to install, no matter what car you drive. And with AUXMART's focus on automotive parts for over 8 years, you can rest assured that you're getting a product that's comparable to original parts. Now, let's talk about that added bonus: finding your car in a crowded parking lot. With the AUXMART system, you'll never lose your parking spot again. Just another thoughtful feature that sets this kit apart from the rest. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your vehicle with a reliable, convenient, and high-quality power central locking system, look no further than the AUXMART Universal Keyless Entry Car Kit. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.